Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're traveling vicariously to the Algarve region of Portugal. Nestled along the southern coast of Portugal, the Algarve is a breathtaking region known for its golden beaches, rugged cliffs, and charming fishing villages. But beyond its stunning landscapes, the Algarve is a food lover's dream, offering some of the freshest seafood in the world through its most iconic dish, Cataplana, a seafood stew. When we traveled to Portugal last fall, we fully indulged in the region's culinary heritage, enjoying Cataplana 3 times in just 1 week, and each time it was a completely unique take on the dish. Let me show you the magic of Cataplana. This easy Algarve-style dish brings together fresh seafood, tomatoes, bell peppers, and spices for an unforgettable meal. You can use whatever fresh vegetables and seafood you like. I am using bell peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and cilantro. For seafood, I have shrimp, heads and tails on, cod, and I also use a spicy pork sausage in lieu of the Portuguese chorizo sausage. Let's start by preparing the vegetables, seafood, and sausage. Cut the bell peppers, thinly slice the potatoes, thinly slice 1 large onion, cut up 2 tomatoes, then chop up the fresh cilantro. The secret of this dish is to season each ingredient as you go. Off camera, I cut up the cod into 1.5-inch pieces, cleaned and deveined the shrimp, leaving heads and tails on for extra flavor. I also cut up a link of pork sausage on a bias. In 2 separate bowls, season shrimp and cod with salt, pepper, paprika, and a Portuguese seasoning with extra virgin olive oil. Mix and cover with plastic wraps and set aside in the fridge. Now the cooking part. As you will see, I am cooking each ingredient in a layered fashion. Turning on the Zojiroshi electric skillet, add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. Then add the sliced onions with a dash of salt. Sauté for about 3 minutes. Then add the minced garlic. Add the tomatoes with salt. Let it cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes are softened. Bell peppers are added in, and so are the salt and pepper. Stir and then add paprika and Portuguese all seasoning. Mix and cover the pot to cook for about 5 minutes. Then open the pot, place the potato slices on top. Once again, I am seasoning the potatoes with salt, pepper, paprika, and Portuguese seasoning. Squirt a wedge of lime juice for the extra brightness in flavor. Next, add the sausage in. With a splash of extra virgin olive oil, and pour a cup of Portuguese white wine called Vinho Verde, or young wine. Cover the pot and cook for 5 minutes or so. Once the alcohol is cooked through, open the pot and do a taste test to ensure the flavor of the broth is to your liking. Next, add the fish with 2 cups of chicken stock to cook for a few minutes. shrimp is the last to add in. I have jumbo-sized shrimp, so it takes a bit longer to cook. Adjust your timing based on the shrimp size. Open the pot, taste the broth for the last time before adding in cilantro. Time to serve. Ladle some seafood, sausage, vegetables, and broth into a bowl, and serve with a piece of hearty bread and a glass of Portuguese white wine. By the way, this dish is named after the cooking vessel called Cataplana. The Cataplana has a distinctive clamshell shape with two hinged, round, concave halves that close tightly. The shape is key to its function as it helps trap steam and moisture during cooking. I cannot wait for you to try the Cataplana. Be creative to use whatever pot you have and ingredients you like. Let me know how you like it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.